Hi, my name is Emily Dwyer, and today I'm going to show you around the Occupational Outlook Handbook website. The Occupational Outlook Handbook is a publication of the United States Department of Labor Bureau that includes information about the nature of work, working conditions, training and education, earnings, and job outlook for hundreds of different occupations in the United States. I chose this website because, being a communications major and a minor in criminal justice, I'm not exactly sure what I want to do with my future. So this website gives me a perfect example of what to look for. For example, since I'm majoring in communications, I would go to the search bar and type in communication. The Media and Communications Occupation tab shows you all the different job opportunities that the communication field offers. So for example, if I want to be a public relations specialist, it shows you their average pay per hour and per year, the education level that you need, the work experience that you need, on-the-job training, the number of jobs that are currently available, and the employment change every year. Along with the quick facts, the website also gives you what they do, their work environment, how to become that certain field that you want, the pay, the job outlook, and the areas and states that are available. For example, if I wanted to learn more about what a public relations specialist does, I'll click on this tab, and it gives you all the duties and answers that you need. It also gives you the work environment, how to become one, and the job outlook. So public relations specialists are having a 9% change in employment for projection. This website offers many and almost any job you can think of for all the information that you need if you're not sure what you want to do with your career. Thank you.